There are no chances of allergy with respect to contact lenses and fake eyelashes.
But it is not for every skin. Every person can suit ஆகாது.
Yes, eyelashes is definitely in vogue nowadays because it really makes the bride's eyes open up and pop out in a nice way.
And then false eyelashes பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் பெரிய eyes இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கு I don't prefer அது.
Fabulous with the bride, and I think they go so well with the jewelry, hair and makeup.
Yes, eyelashes is definitely in vogue nowadays because it really makes the bride's eyes open up and pop out in a nice way. Lenses, I would advise the bride to check it out before wearing a different color lens, because usually the color of the lenses try to change the entire look of the bride. So whether she's comfortable or not, that has to be taken into consideration. Once it is in tune with the outfit, with her skin color and all, she can definitely go in for lenses.
Yes, we can use the lens and false eyelashes use பண்ணலாம். But it is not for every skin. Every person க்கு அது suit ஆகாது. You have to choose அவங்களோட skin எப்படி இருக்குன்றத பார்க்கணும். Makeup என்ன மாதிரி choose பண்றாங்க, இந்த costume என்ன மாதிரி போடுறாங்கன்றத பொறுத்து we can suggest that இது நல்லா இருக்கும். And then false eyelashes பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் பெரிய eyes இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கு I don't prefer அது. ஏன்னா we can go for a mascara. Mascara-ல we can give it a nice definition. So smaller eyes இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கு then we can put some false eyelashes. It will look more extra look and extra definition to that.
There are no chances of allergy with respect to contact lenses and fake eyelashes, and I think it's a must today for brides to definitely put on some eyelashes. You get wonderful variations of eyelashes. You get, other than your small, medium, large sizes that you get lovely, the feathers, you get those different kind of, you get studded with diamonds. So they look fabulous with the bride, and I think they go so well with the jewelry, hair and makeup. It looks fabulous. Contact lenses are available with such great brands, so no, there's no question of allergy.